Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a simple process how you could convert or use read-only mode in Emacs, or you could find file with a read-only mode, which sometime will be effective or useful. Okay, to give you some sort of demonstration, let me go to my this is my Emacs client, which is running on terminal. So let me open our arbitrary file, Control X, Control F, and so I'm just opening an arbitrary file. So this is just a file which could be written if I wanted to. Okay, so you see I can write on it, right? So you can quickly change this to a read-only stuff by pressing Control X and Control Q. Look at the bottom of the screen. It says read-only mode enabled in current buffer. So if I try to make a change, see, I cannot make a change. It says the buffer is read-only, right? So it sometimes protects you from doing inadvertent edit, which you probably don't want. So this will become handy if you are opening on some important file and you by mistake may make some changes. So this mode will prohibit you to get things, the changes gets propagated. Okay, so to turn on to a read-only mode, all you have to do, simply open the file and press Control X and Control Q. Okay, to turn it back, Control X, Control Q. So look at the bottom of the screen. It says read-only mode disabled in current buffer. So Control X and Control Q will act as a toggle between read-only mode and a normal mode. Normal mode means where you can write the file and all this stuff. Read-only mode, that it signifies as simple as that it will just for the read on, so you cannot modify the file, it will prohibit you. Okay, so another way, if I close this file, you can open a file in read-only mode by pressing Control X, Control V, and again if I open the same file, see, so this is the read-only mode file. You can invoke or open directly by pressing Control X and Control V. Okay, it will prompt you for the file to be open, and that file will be open as read-only. Ignore the whatever is showing on the key area, that's for different reason. But the point I'm trying to make, so you can open any file in read-only mode by pressing Control X and Control V. Okay, and if you ever want a file to be converted into a read-only mode, then if you write the file in a normal mode, you can press Control X, Control Q to turn it into a read-only mode. Okay, so let me let me write it for you. Control X and Control Q turn a writable buffer into a read only buffer. Okay, likewise Control X and Control V open file in read-only mode. Okay, so these two things. So if you ever wanted to open a file in a read-only mode, you can paste to do Control X and Control V. It will prompt you for the file, and if you open the file, it will be by default in read-only mode. But if you ever open a file normally with Control X and Control F, and if you want to turn that buffer into a read-only one, then you have to do Control X and Control Q on that buffer, so it can turn into a read-only buffer. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people. Okay, thanks for watching.